What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Odsing channel. In this video I'm gonna introduce you machine polishing kit that is available from my shop. The kit contains everything that you need to start up polishing cars. Overall I get a lot of questions which product is the best. However, once you learn a little bit about machine polishing, you will understand that it's not just down to product, but it's also down to pad, polisher, and also the technique that you use for polishing. If you can combine all together, you will get the results. In this video I'm not going to explain you how to approach polishing. However, if you want to learn it, if you want to see how to do it to get the results, check out my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos there where I explain machine polishing. I explain how you should approach to get nice results. In the case of this polishing kit, I choose the polisher at sort of lowest budget. That's because most of you, when they start, they might not have the budget there, or maybe they don't want to spend any bigger money. However, in the case of this setup here, you have extremely good compounds, you have extremely good pads, you have also panel wipe. The polisher itself is sort of entry-level polisher. However, if you use it right, you will get nice result with it. So let's start from the polisher itself. What it is, it's 9mm throw dual action polisher from ADBL. The advantage of dual action polisher in general compared to rotary polishers is that these polishers, they don't create heat on the paint. So when you use one of these, you don't really have fear that you will damage the paint too quick. Of course, if you use it incorrectly altogether, which is like keeping the polisher maybe on the panel for long time, then of course you can do some damage. However, if you use it anyway with common sense, the chance of doing damage is almost none. So the polisher itself has 9mm throw, as I mentioned. So the throw is the distance that the backing plate travels when you use it. Of course, there is also rotary movement as well once you use it. The polisher comes with 5-inch backing plate, but also with the polisher you get an extra backing plate which is 3-inch. That will allow you to change over the backing plate and use smaller pads for some tighter areas. The polisher obviously has variable speed that you can change over here. It has switch lock. The motor in this polisher is 750 watts, quite long cable that allows you to work around the car. Overall, for polisher this size, it's a very good machine as it has plenty power to do a lot of work. Of course, compared to bigger machines, the progress will be slower with this one. However, if you want to keep the budget low, this is the ideal solution. Can you correct the paint with this polisher? Absolutely. Of course, the machine is not designed to work extremely heavy every day. If you're a professional detailer, you should have bigger machines with bigger power, bigger throw. However, if you're a weekend warrior that you want to do couple cars a year, this machine will do nicely for even for paint corrections. What we use it in our garage for is mainly for light paint gloss enhancements. We use it for finishing stages. It does absolutely perfectly for those tasks, even if we use this machine daily. The kit includes also 3 different compounds. In this case we have compounds from Swag. However, on our website you can pick different compounds from different brands. There is about 6-7 different options for that. When it comes to compounds, all the compounds, they will do very nice job. There is not that one of the brands is gonna do 50 times better job than the other. They're very close. It's down to personal preferences. What I be recommended myself is definitely the Swag. Another brand is FX Protect, Zvizer, other ones as well. They will do the job nicely. Overall, the thing with polishing the paint is that every paint you're gonna approach might be different, also might have different damage. The hardness of the paint is different, so you can pick nicely with selection like this. We can pick compound right to what you need to do. If you need to do just light enhancement, you can even go with finishing compound. If you want to do sort of single stage polishing where you want to achieve some imperfection removal and some decent gloss, the medium coat will be perfect for that. Also in this case we have heavy coat, which will allow you to remove deeper scratches. In some cases, if you use a harder combination, which is heavy coat compound and for example heavy coat pad, what might happen, it might leave some sort of holograms, buffer trails. So then after that stage you should be well able to refine it with one of these. On harder paints I'll be looking at medium compound. On softer paints, finishing compound should do the job perfectly. Also within the kit you have really nice selection of polishing pads. Pads are from company called NAT. You have 6 different pads. All the pads have different gradations, so also that will allow you to find combination that will work the best on your paint. And also same as with the compounds, you have harder pads, medium pads, and you have softer pads. When it comes to polishing pads, you have nice selection of good quality pads. We use these pads for our daily work. They perform really well and they are very durable. What you also have in the kit is bottle of panel wipe. For me, having this product is necessary when it comes to polishing the paint. Without this product you're not able to check the real results that you're achieving while you're polishing. So this is necessary product, that's why I have it in the kit. Also what you will have in the kit is Cupra microfiber cloths, and you also will get clay bar. So when it comes to this kit you have basically everything that you need for that initial startup of polishing. Of course you can always upgrade your kit, but for start this is what you basically need to have. I picked the products that I would love to have when I started my polishing. Of course in the polishing kit you have everything that you need for polishing itself. However, there is also another important part, which is preparation of the car before polishing. So in this kit it's only stuff for polishing. You need to also have products to perform proper decontamination of the paint before you do the polishing. So that's everything in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the video will help you to decide whether you want a kit like that or maybe you want something that is more advanced. If so, you can also contact me. We have different polishers available. We have different sort of setups available as well. We can help you out. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe my channel so you won't miss any videos that I'm gonna publish in the next while, and see you on the next one.